Have you ever tried Okongobong? This simple Cameroonian dish is packed with flavor, and today I'm sharing my late mom's recipe. Welcome back to My Kitchen by Doris. Today we are making Okongobong, known as Ugu leaf in Nigeria, with pumpkin seeds called Egusi in Cameroon. This is one of my late mom's recipe, and it's simple, comforting, and absolutely delicious. For this recipe, you only need a few simple ingredients, but together they create something very delicious. The star ingredients are Okongobong leaf, known as Ugu leaves in Nigeria, and pumpkin seed, known as Egusi in Cameroon. You will also need some onion, garlic, and ginger, crayfish, smoked fish, seasoning, salt, and Habanero pepper to your taste. So you're going to start by cooking your protein, your hard protein, and go in and add your ginger, garlic, and onion into your protein. Give it enough water so you can have enough stock. Add your smoked fish when your protein is almost ready. I'm using catfish in this recipe. Then go ahead and add your crushed crayfish. Give it a good mix and cover it to cook. While that is cooking, go ahead and properly wash your pumpkin seed. First of all, search for stones, sticks, and any debris. Give it a good wash and blend to a smooth paste. Once your protein is ready, go ahead, or 80 to 90% ready, go ahead and add your blended egusi or pumpkin seed. Give it a good mix, add a little bit of water if necessary, and then drop your heat to medium heat and cover it to cook. This point, you don't have to rush it. You have to make sure that your egusi is properly cooked. So you will check in from time to time and add water if need be until your egusi is ready. Your vegetable, you're going to finely chop it, wash it and finely chop it, then introduce it in a pot of boiling water, add a bit of salt and let that cook for maximum 5 minutes. Take it out, rinse it under cool water to stop the cooking process. Then don't forget to check your egusi. When you start to see oil popping at the top of your egusi and creating these little holes of bubble, you know that your egusi is almost ready. Add a little bit of water if need be. Don't let it get burned. That's why you need to drop your heat to low or medium. And then give it a good mix. Add a little bit of water. Cover it for it to cook until it's looking kind of grainy. Then you know your pumpkin seed is ready. And at this point, your egusi should be ready. As you can see, it looks more grainy, and of course the aroma will also tell you, because at this point it will not be smelling raw. Give it a good mix. Add your already cooked ugu in it. Give it a good mix as well, just to make sure that everything is well proportionally distributed in the egusi. Taste for seasoning, add your seasoning if need be, and then go ahead and add your vegetable oil. Cover it to cook for maximum 3 minutes. Remember, your egusi is already cooked, your ugu leaf is already cooked, so do not overcook it. And voila, our meal is ready. If you enjoyed today's recipe, I would really appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share with others. Every Sunday, I share simple African recipes or Cameroonian recipes made with fresh ingredients, just how I make mine at home. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my kitchen next Sunday. Bye! And before I go, you can serve this meal with some plantain, some yam, or fufu.